Quick facts. Today, our topic is oceans, and I'm going to be interviewing Alex, who's been studying oceans for the last 2 hours. Most of his knowledge comes from watching lectures and reading book materials for his geoscience class. So, Alex, what have you discovered from these strenuous studies?
Well, the main conclusion that I've arrived at is there's many things that we do not understand about the ocean, but some of the things that we do include it's big, it's very deep, and it's kind of salty.
Well, okay, so that's pretty fascinating stuff, Alex, but what is the deepest part of the ocean?
Well, according to my research, the deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench, which is 11 kilometers deep. To give you a little bit of a reference point, that's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. However, the average depth of the ocean is only 3.7 kilometers deep.
Okay, I never realized the ocean could get so deep. So, in these deep waters, can animal life survive?
As a matter of fact, they can. We've discovered many life forms at these depths, but we don't know much about it, considering we don't have the ability to really go there. We're constantly discovering new life forms, though, at that depth. It's very cool.
Okay, so how does the deep sea life compare to the life found at the ocean surface?
Well, at the surface, the ocean is producing oxygen, and photosynthesis is occurring with bacteria, and the deep ocean is consuming oxygen, and organic material is breaking down.
Okay, so now that we know a little bit more about how the life forms are found in the ocean, how are these nutrients transported between the surface and the deep ocean?
Well, this is a complicated topic to explain, but with a little help from my visual aid, I hope I can get the point across. As you can see here, there are currents all over the globe, and they move heat as well as organic material around the globe. So most of the heat is from the equator, and the heat's a byproduct of the sun. And then it moves into the polar regions where it gets colder. And when it gets colder, it gets more dense. And when it gets more dense, it sinks, taking along with it the organic materials.
Oh, this is very interesting stuff, Alex. Sadly, we're out of time and we can't continue talking about this very fascinating topic. So thanks for tuning in, everybody, and join us next week where we talk about clowns.